Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Haikal Akbar. Saya sini akan menyampaikan presentasi saya mengenai forest fire al multi-feature perspective. Saya sini akan mengapa saya memilih teks tersebut mengenai introduction, yaitu most article focus only on the damage multi-phase perspective explorers and ecological paradox, wildfires and descriptive some ecosystem actually require fire to regenerate. Certainly its balance environmental impacts with the socio-economic consequences in the context of global warming. Fires are no longer seasonal accident, but system issues. The text provides a framework to understand the positive feedback loops. Climate change, increased drought leads to more frequent fire. Fires release CO2 further accelerate climate change. Natural science often publish perspective places that synthesize various studies on wildfire behavior. For Center International Forestry Research, a primary source our global forest data, especially regarding tropical basin fire. Oke, saya sini juga akan mengintip tentang background saya, mengenai multi-feature perfected, yaitu backgroundnya yaitu causesnya, sebab akibatnya itu climate change, drought, hurt human activities, land clearing, and fuel accumulation. Efeknya itu biodiversity loss, massive carbon emission, public health disaster, gas, and economic instability. Keywords because the two consequently as a result leads to ecological ecosystem, house stamp forest, and need the fire to stay healthy. Agricultural that matter. How uncontrolled fire destroy modern ecosystem and human settlement. Keywordsnya, on the other hand, however, constantly we there despite chronologinya, the historical of major fire event over the decades. Oke, saya juga sini akan juga mengkritik mengenai analisis yang saya buat. Contoh dari kohesi gramatikal atau kata ganti, kata hubung atau repetisi, yaitu referencing is asset to avoid repeating the same noun and to maintain a smooth flow between sentence. Example, forest fire are often seen as very destructive, however they play a vital role in certain ecosystem by clearing dead organic matter. Identificationnya, the pronoun, the action as a small phrase pointing back to the non-space forest fire. Conjunction as the glyphs that slow the logical relationship between different aspects, the multi-phase part of the fire. Example lagi, while fire releases massive amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, consequently the global warming process is accelerated. Identification, the word increasingly is causal conjunction. Example, some aspects are for total fire suppression while others convert the described branch. Identification, the word other is a nominal substitution for other expert. Oke, mengenai goals-nya itu saya mengenai kritik saya tentang mengenai goals yang saya buat. While refill usually implies gasoline or coal in a general sense, in the context of forest fire is a meaning based on the objective. It refers to the natural accumulation for organic matter, fallen leaves, branches, and detritus. Two, it is a proactive management tool. It is a control application of fire restore health to ecosystem and reduce the risk of catastrophic fire. Public health context, it is often seen as responsible air pollution. Oke, mengenai juga konklusi mengenai semuanya yang saya yang buat tadi mengenai kan apa yang saya buat mengenai semuanya itu statement solutionnya itu statement total fire suppression leads to the accumulation for organics material fuel on the forest floor. Explanation: this is a biological and physical reality when natural low intensity fires are to prevent the debris. Clifford makes its sediment fire suppression is an action of herons. Explanation: while many people view firefighter as a hero as social perspective, herons is a subjective label based on human values. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.